Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is my third lecture of 12th chemistry, chemical kinetics. If you face any kinds of problem in my video, then don't hesitate, you can immediately call me on 700-4848 987. Classification of chemical reaction on the basis of reaction rate. On the reaction rate, chemical reactions are classified into three parts. Very fast means instantaneous reaction, very slow reaction, and moderate reaction. So these three classification of chemical reaction on the basis of reaction rate. First of all, we are going to discuss very fast means instantaneous reaction. The chemical reaction which are completed instantaneously, these reactions are called very fast reaction. Means those reactions which completes in seconds, such reactions are called very fast reaction. These reactions are ionic reactions. In previous classes I told you that ionic reactions are very fast reaction, and those reactions which completes in seconds, such reactions are not studied in chemical kinetics. These are the examples of very fast chemical reactions. For example, neutralization reaction. You know very well neutralization reaction from your earlier classes. Neutralization reaction means reaction between acid and base. Means when acid and base react, then salt is formed. This is called neutralization reaction. Here aqueous solution of NaOH. When NaOH dissolved in water, then NaOH splits into Na plus and OH minus, and when HCl dissolve in water, means then HCl splits in H plus or Cl minus. And when we mix both aqueous solution of NaOH and HCl, then ions of NaCl and NaOH exchange and form NaCl and water. So this reaction is very fast reaction. So these reactions we are not studying in chemical kinetics. And precipitation reaction. Formation of precipitate, those reactions in which precipitation is formed is called precipitation reaction. What is PPT? Those substances which are water insoluble are called precipitate. And those solid substances which cannot be dissolved in water is called precipitate. Here silver nitrate and potassium dichromate mix, then PPT of silver chloride is formed. Means when aqueous solution of silver nitrate and aqueous solution of potassium chloride get mixed, then PPT of silver chloride is formed as a precipitate. That is why here arrow is downward arrow indicating that some solid substance is formed. And potassium nitrate is formed. Second is very slow reaction. Formation of one drop of water by H2 and O2 at normal condition takes much time. Means it completes after a year. H2 plus half H2 dash water. Means formation of water on normal condition takes a year. Rusting of iron also takes much time. So these reactions are usually not studied. In those reactions which takes much time to complete, such type of reactions are not studied in chemical kinetics. Now third one is moderate reactions. Such type of reactions are studied in chemical kinetics because moderate reactions are neither very fast nor very slow. So rate of such reactions are studied very easily. The reactions which are neither very fast nor very slow are usually studied. Some example of such reactions are PCl5 dash PCl3 and PCl2. When PCl5 breaks into PCl3 and Cl2, this is a moderate reaction. And a splitting of H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide into H2O and half O2 is moderate reaction. Such reactions are studied in this chapter. And hydrolysis of cane sugar means when cane sugar dissolved in water, then glucose and fructose are formed. Formula of glucose and fructose are same. Only a structure, formula and function of glucose and fructose are different. That is why there is no confusion in formula of glucose and fructose. Chemical formula of both glucose and fructose are same. Only a structure and function of these two are different. Okay. So these are moderate reactions. Such chemical reactions we are studying in this chapter. If you face any problem in this video, then not hesitate, immediate call me. My cell number is written in the beginning of the video. My number is 700-4848-997. Okay, thank you.